Yo guys, here I am. I'm at home. My fiance, she went to go see her aunt. I'm not feeling very well today. I've already did 2 videos, but as soon as I got home, we went to the market. We got some food, things like that. I was going to do a video at the market, but I did not feel very well, so I was unable to do that. And instead, I'm here at home, and I've decided that I will make a short video here, kind of showing you all what I do from day to day. I hope everybody's doing great. It's your boy Jesse. So let's get into it. So that I video edit. Yeah, that's one of the things I like to do. And this is what I use when I do my video edits. I use this big, beautiful laptop right here. I did pay quite a bit of money for this back in the States, right before I came here to the Philippines. I paid in peso, it would be 50, it's about 70, 80K, I think. It was like $1,700 US dollars. Now, I don't remember what that is in peso, but yeah. Selfie stick I just bought, I told you guys about, is right here. It's the one I've been using. I was going to use it for this video, but then I just got frustrated with it. My fiance is not here to help me, so I gave up on it. Yeah. So this is my computer. This right here is the mouse I use. I have to have a mouse because a mouse gives me more control over the computer. So as you can see, I have a VPN right here. I use that. Well, I don't really use that. I just got it. I got it for free. It's a good VPN, CyberGhost. It works for me. I have it on my phone because I can't use my bank without a VPN because it registers me. I have to be in the US in order to log into my bank account. Here are the apps I have. The main ones that I use, obviously Google Chrome. So when I go on YouTube, I use Google Chrome a lot, and I use this app for some of my classes. I do online classes at American Military University. I am at one class away from graduating with a space studies degree. I use Telegram though for my video edits because I do the video edits on my computer, and then I go to Telegram on saved messages and send the videos over to Telegram. As you can see right here, the 2 videos I did this morning are right here on my computer. I transferred them over from my phone. And yeah, here is CapCut. This is where all the magic happens, where I'm trying to get better at my video editing right here on CapCut Pro. It's not easy. It's not easy to do these video edits. It can take anywhere from 1 hour to 4 hours just to get a video edit done. And so, you know, it can take a while. Also, this is the real world, which is where I am learning to do video edits and other things. I'm in the social media and client acquisition campus, as well as the AI automation, because in case you guys didn't know, AI is going to take a lot of jobs. So I'm learning as much AI as I can. Affiliate marketing, I'm doing that because I want to help this brand, this brand that's helping me. They've done a lot. The guy who created this school has done a lot to help me. Creation content, this is where I'm learning video editing. They're much better at video editing than me. I just started, so you'll have to forgive my video edits, but they are good. And this is just the general campus where people come and hang out and talk, that kind of stuff. As you can see online right now on the social media, there are 10,194 students. These are my messages. Some of these I have not responded to yet. It's a really nice little platform. I go on here every day. I greet everybody good morning. There's places on each campus to say good morning, and a gratitude chat where you talk about where you're thankful for things. You come here, you say good morning to everyone, how they're doing. These are the wins that people have. Some really nice wins in here actually. people are doing pretty decent in these campuses, trying to make their own money, trying to be their own boss, that kind of thing. We also have here a calendar and a task list for the day. I haven't checked off anything yet because I've been sick and laying in bed. This is my task list though. You see, I have a lot, but most of them are just simple little things like posting an IG story, reading 10 pages a day, that kind of stuff. That's pretty much it on what I do and how I do it. I'm also a big fan of ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps me a lot, and as you can see, I'm actually pretty organized on how I got things. These are for YouTube videos. These are my books I read. These are movies I have to watch, or that I want to watch. This is a folder for where I learned Tagalog. These are my video edits. This is for CapCut. I have everything organized out in a very nice little fashion. Even have a workout folder. And I have a couple of games I play. I love Civilization 5. I love the strategy. I really like... I'm probably actually going to make a folder for Persona 4, Fallout, Skyrim, and Civilization 5. And that's kind of... Well, that's basically what my... This is my work desk. As you can see, I have a bunch of vapes. The work desk is also the table, so when we eat and stuff, I just take the computer off. I always have my coffee and I have my water with me, and I do vape. I'm a very big compulsive vape person who vapes. I do that mostly because of my nerves, things like that. But this is what our home looks like. It's a very simple home. It's my Kindle. I have over 1,000 books on my Kindle that I have not read. I'm reading through one at a time. And remember when I said I love coffee? Well, I really, really love coffee. I keep all kinds of coffee every time we go to Calibo, because in province life, one of the things you gotta learn is that you may not be able to find coffee for a coffee pot. It's all instant. So when we go to Calibo, I just buy a bunch of coffee. If I don't have much left, if I have 2 bags left, I try to go to Calibo and buy at least 3 more. And I've not tried any of these yet, except for this one, because I just opened it a few days ago. Make my coffee strong. Something else in the Philippines that you will learn is that you shouldn't drink the sink water. At least that's what I've been told. So these right here are our water jugs where we keep our water. When I first moved here, my fiance only had 1, and I drink a lot of water. So I said we need to have at least 2. So if this one runs out, we'll put it outside. They'll come and refill it. We pay like 20. Well, we pay a little more. I pay 30 peso because I think it's really kind that they do it. And we'll always have this one. This, because I'll be honest with you guys, I bought this because I have no clue how to use a gas stove or a fire stove. So I bought this because I can cook for my fiance. I haven't done it much yet, but yeah. And we have a microwave. Microwave is something that I wanted because, well, she wanted it more than me because she wanted to try popcorn. But I love microwave because I'm not the kind of guy who likes to eat cold leftovers, and I don't like to sit and wait for things to cook. I like things done quick and efficient. I also have a slow cooker. I don't like to cook much, but if I use a slow cooker, it's easy. I just throw everything in there, put in some broth, put in some seasoning, turn it on 6 to 8 hours, let it simmer. Yeah. This is our refrigerator with, you can see our collection of alcohol up there. This is our refrigerator. I try to always keep the drawings and stuff. I had more, but I don't know where they went. The drawings and stuff that kids make me. And our neighbor, a little boy, he made me this. It was really nice. And when we're in Calibo, we buy a lot of frozen food because, again, in the province, most of the food is fresh. So when we go to Calibo, we buy a lot of frozen foods that are easy, especially for me to cook. And in here, I never know how to open this. I just keep pushing it until it unlocks. In here is more alcohol. This is a very cheap alcohol in the Philippines. A quick story on this though. For my friends who have not been to the Philippines, I can handle my liquor very good. As you can see, I drink Hennessy, I drink whiskey. I love whiskey, I love bourbon. Can handle my alcohol very good. When I first got here, I thought, Red Horse, it's a beer. I'll be fine. I'll be all right. It's like soju, you know. Well, Red Horse ended up being like soju. I thought the same thing about soju, and I drank a bunch of soju one time in the military, and then I drank it kicked it got me. And Red Horse, same way. Same way, I don't drink Red Horse much unless I'm outside and it's hot, because I know how bad Red Horse can. It has a kick. There's a reason it's called Red Horse. But yeah, that's a refrigerator. That's wine. Mostly my fiance, she drinks that. I love wine, but because she likes wine, I let her just drink on that. This is our little food corner. Actually, she just set this one up yesterday. As you can see, she even has a gas stove, and we have a blender. You know, that. And there's the bathroom. But in here is the room. I told you guys it's not a big place. It's not huge. It's not something you would expect in America. You'd usually expect more, but it's bigger than a studio. This is our dresser with our clothes. Oh, and we had to buy a washer. Everything, she was hand washing, and I said I don't hand wash. I don't know how to hand wash, so we bought a washer. And it makes her life easier. It makes my life easier if I decide if she's sick and I decide to wash. Aircon, like I told you guys in the video before, this is something you will probably have to buy yourself. We bought this ourselves. It works really good. It's so cold in here. I don't like how cold it is. Here's another tripod. My fiance uses that. And this is our bed. I wanted a king size bed. I was very specific on that. I like to have enough room, and we'll just put it like that. Yeah, this is a little tour of our place. It's not much, I know, to many Americans, but to Filipinos, this would be considered a lot. This really would. The Filipino people, they don't have a lot, and for them, this would be like they would be living like a king or a queen. So that's a little bit about what I do. This is a little bit about where I live. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour. I might do another video about kind of my story, how things went for me. But for now, you guys, peace out. God bless. Know that you are valuable and you matter. Bye.